Hey guys, Ms.sticky here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get off a junior account. This is mainly for beginners because as a beginner, you can't really do as much stuff as you do when you're not on a junior account. You can't communicate with others, message people, and even talk to people or mute others if they're speaking. This is my real account, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do this. I got this method from my sister Redhead VR, so subscribe to her. So these are all my accounts right here, except that one. That one is a real account. That's the one my sister helped me on. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys are going to press the addition sign, which is in the corner. Then you want to make a username, but it says log in. So what you want to press is create an account, which is down there, right under forgot password. And once you get in there, then you just want to make your own character. You can make yourself however you feel like you want. So I'm just going to make something random since this is not a real account that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to put on anything except that hair, which I'm going to change in a second. Okay, so for this one, you want to change your birthday. So I'm just gonna change it to 2004 because to play Rec Room to speak, you want to be able to talk and you have to be 13 and higher. So I'm gonna put 2004, and you can use it if you guys want to. I'm just gonna put a random name, anything. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of letters because I don't, like I said, not gonna use this account. And for the same thing with my password, I'm just going to put something random, just some letters, and that's it. Okay, and then you're all finished, and you press let's play, and the first thing you want to do is an orientation. And orientation is what you see on my screen right here, but this is just a picture. It'll bring you in, and it'll tell you how to play and show you all that stuff. So I'm just going to walk through this orientation, and yeah. The orientation is something that'll help you, and it'll just teach you the basics of everything. This is where people play basketball. That's basically how it looks in Rec Center. And this is showing different things about games. So this is a replica of dodgeball. This is practicing your aim, which you can also do in the real dodgeball game, which I'll be showing you, which will be a video of how to get tokens, which will be made soon. I'm going to try and throw this frisbee in here. Okay, I missed. One more time. Yeah, I suck. Okay. Now this is just a archery thing for this one quest called Golden Trophy. Is a gameplay quest that a lot of people do solo, and I will be doing that also soon with my sister Redhead VR. This is just practicing how to move your hands and wave and stuff. And right after this, I think this is the last part of the wave. These are all the creations that people make. Those swords, all that stuff over there. And all these costumes also, which you can try on. Okay, so for the gift, it's gonna give you your keys and for your dorm room, and your dorm room's gonna look very plain at first, which is what you can make with it, which I was going to show you guys at the end of the video. So this is the dorm, and they're going to give you one more present. They're going to give you one more present, which is going to be your watch. These are the different games you can play, and these are challenges that you can do to win rewards, and some other things. You can save your dorm room. So when she finishes talking, then you'll be able to see this microphone thing at the top corner of your thing, and then you'll see like those those lightning type things come out of your mouth, and that's how you know you're speaking. You can also mute others and talk to others. But this is not my real dorm, so I'm gonna see you guys in my next dorm. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is my dorm. A little quick tour to show you this little gaming setup. It's a bit crumped up, yeah, but I'm gonna try and fix it soon upstairs. And yeah, so this is my dorm room. Stay tuned for my next video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on all post notifications. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially beginners, and bye.